Our analysts revealed one last chilling detail. We charted the hum signal across 5 decades of archived seismic data. For nearly all of that time, the pattern was perfectly, metronomically stable. It was a ghost heartbeat, unchanging for centuries, until recently, with seismic activity in Russia and Japan and volcanoes erupting. That signal from 5 years ago now it's not the same one. Now we're listening to the signal from last week. New complex subharmonics are appearing. The core tempo is minutely but measurably faster. It's as if the machine, after 5 centuries of passive regulation, is changing its function. It's no longer just absorbing energy, it's preparing to do something with it. It's as if it's listening or waiting for new command. This ancient machine, this ghost heartbeat, it's waking up.